JK Adventure fans? You guys see us. We're in a different atmosphere. We're in the garage. The garage. Trying to get a workout in. What are we doing?
We're going to attempt to do the Tabata.
The Tabata.
Mix, I guess. I don't know what it is.
It's basically a CrossFit style workout. Maybe not a CrossFit style workout, I don't know, but I found it.
I think it was 20 seconds reps and then 10-second break. And then you...
4 minutes.
Yeah, 4 minutes. So I guess we're gonna...
Wish us luck. We're sweating because we had to move all this equipment out, just so you guys know. Florida's hot.
Welcome to Tabata. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
What's up, guys?
As you saw, we attempted the Tabata. I mean, I think it was a
So tired, can't even talk.
I think it was a success. What do you think, babe?
I thought it was actually pretty fun. I think we could have went heavier on the squats, but no rack. I'm not gonna try to have her Olympic lift heavy ass weight over her head. Like I said, JK Adventures, we're doing this whole workout thing. We started with the food prep and then we posted a picture of our success after a month. It's on our Instagram. We'll have it posted on the video.
So you guys go check it out.
Everything is in the link down below. We want you guys to try the Tabata. Maybe comment on your results. We only did 3. We did a squats, we did a shoulder press, and a deadlift.
But before we go, don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, I guess that's it, guys. Bye.